Students, in today's class we shall be starting with a new topic of sales promotion. So what is the sales promotion? The main aim of any business is to earn maximum profit, and this is possible only through maximum sales. So the main aim is to earn the maximum profits that can only be achieved through maximum sales, by maximizing the sales. The maximum sales can be achieved by using various techniques of sales promotion. Sales promotion includes, so what does it include? Number one, the sales promotion includes those marketing activities other than personal selling. So it includes marketing activities the marketing activities excluding the personal sellings, but including advertising and publicity, advertisement and publicity, that stimulate the consumer purchasing and dealer effectiveness, such as window display. So this will help to stimulate consumer purchasing power Thus, the dealer effectiveness, such as window display, shows and exposition and demonstrations, also help to increase this consumer purchasing power. Now, there are certain objectives that are associated with the sales promotion. So, what are the objectives of sales promotion? So, what are its objectives? Number one is to introduce the new products. So first of all, it aims to introduce new products. The second one is attract new customers. Followed by maintenance of old customer base. It also aims to maintain the old customer base. So the old customer should be retained. Next comes to improve the public image of the firm or to enhance the market reputation of the company. Then comes the fifth one, to popularize a brand name of the product. So publicity of brands. To assist the salesman and the dealer, then to induce customers to purchase more items. Then comes the assistance to salesmen and dealers. Assistance to salesmen and dealers. So these are the basic objectives of sales promotion: to introduce new products, to attract new customers, to maintain the old customers, enhance the market reputation of the company, publicity of brands, and assistance to the salesmen and dealers. So now, in order to achieve such objectives, a company has to follow certain techniques that are associated with sales promotion. Now, what are the various techniques of sales promotion? Now, how these sales promotion can be increased? So, number one is by providing the free samples. So, many companies send their representatives to the dealers for detailing and distribution of the free samples of their manufactured goods. The technique is very useful and a innovative way of introducing the new products. However, it is very expensive method and is used only by the big organizations. So in this, free samples of newly introduced products are provided to dealers and this helps to improve the reputation of the company along with the introduction of the new products. So the second one is the trading stamps. So the trading stamps are issued to the customers through the retailers in proportion to the amount of purchase. The customer goes on collecting the stamps on his purchase. Once an adequate amount of stamps is collected, he obtains a free product in exchange of his stamps. The technique induces customers to buy products from those retailers who offer such stamps. So it provides assistance to stockist as well as motivates the customer to purchase more products. So next comes coupons. So these are a certificate that entitles the customer for a specified saving on the purchase of the product. The company reimburses the retailer for the value of the coupons collected by them from the customers. The retailer generally do not like the scheme because it creates financial and accounting problems for them. So coupons are not that much praised by the retailers, but somehow they motivate the customers to purchase more and more products. The fourth one is bonus offers. So these are the direct discounts or the bonus offers with the premium packing that helps the customers to buy the products, such as the reusable containers or a free gift associated with them, and various miscellaneous categories are also there, such as prize contest, or we can say the fairs and exhibitions. Fairs and exhibitions. So these are all the various techniques of sales promotion. So they only help to increase the marketing activities or the purchase of new products. So these are the various techniques that can help out to reach the new customers, help to maintain or retain the old customers, and virtually helps to introduce the new products in the same market. So this was all regarding the sales promotion. I hope students the topic is clear to you. In our next class we shall be learning about the salesmanship. What is salesmanship? What are the steps in the selling process and what are the advantages of the salesmanship?